So we made it through the craziness of Auckland and out the other side, and now we're at Lee, Goat Island Marine Reserve. We are gonna try and do some snorkeling today, which we haven't done much of, so it'll be interesting. Hopefully the water's warm. But yeah, we'll see what we can find, if we can get in there. It's pretty busy, being a popular spot and still school holidays. Right, we made it to Goat Island. Liam's just getting ready. Cool as waterfall over there. And here we are, Marine Reserve. Hopefully we'll go find some fish. Up at Goat Island. That was pretty cool. It was a little bit cloudy in places, so the water wasn't as bright as usually is in other videos I've seen, but we both had a good go at it. It was pretty fun. Now we're going to try our luck to go to Muriwai Beach and see a gannet colony if it's out. We'll see how we go. Amazing sky today. We haven't had that sort of weather in Gizzy, so, well, they might have lately, but we haven't for a while. So we're just at the gannet colony now, in Muriwai Beach. I've never been here before, so we're just going to go and check it out with Liam. And it's January the 15th, 2025. Found some caves here at Muriwai Beach, and there's the opening to the ocean. There's the tidal surge going through. Gotta be a bit careful, I suppose. Pretty cool though. Just finished up at Muriwai Beach, around the Gannet colony and down onto the beach. It's actually a pretty awesome beach. Had a cave, and then these people are flying their paraglider things. Really cool. And now we're just going to try and go to Bethells Beach before we head back to Hamilton. But we'll see how we go there. Tide's low at the moment, so that's good. So now we've made it to Bethells Beach. Now I've just got to go walk to all the stuff we want to go see. Now is this for heaps of caves? Pretty cool. Right, we found one of the beach caves goes through. We're going to follow Liam out. Pretty dim lit for a GoPro anyway. That's where we were inside of before, that cave. Where am I fucking pointing? And there. We were down there. We're just on that end of the beach. And I'm gonna go like this and be at that other end of the beach. Right, we're at the other end of the beach. We just walked from that point there. And we're going into a cave over there. This little bit on the end looks cool. Like a little face or something. Quite a walk though. Feeling it. Cool though. Let's see what the cave's all about. Rightio, here we are, another cave. Let's see what this one is. Quite a wide entrance, this one. Shades off. Doesn't go in very far. Well, actually it does go in quite far, I suppose, but it's wide. Very wide. It's actually quite cool. And then you get that stunning view out there that the GoPro probably won't adjust to, but we're here at Bethells Beach. It's like throwing a sausage down a fucking hallway. It's bloody huge.